Hey guys, today's Monday. I usually never vlog on Monday, but I went to work. I went to the dentist because I have to get I had a temporary crown place, whatever. Got some dental work done, temporary. And I'm a little bit stressed out, but I'm super happy because today I got a notification that I would hit 150,000 views on my YouTube channel. So I'm feeling really good and proud about myself, but I'm also very stressed out with things that I have to get done as far as YouTube, as far as at home work. All this stuff is happening all at one time. So I'm gonna buy myself a congratulations and cheer up gift. I don't know what exactly I want yet. I'm at Nordstrom. I'm gonna look at some Tory Burch, probably get some more earrings because these are like my favorite earrings, so I would love to have two, especially since I have two holes. But yeah, I just really want to give myself something for working so hard, because I work hard. Not only am I a full-time teacher, I'm basically a full-time YouTuber. Because I upload at least 3 videos a week, which is a lot. People have no idea. People have no freaking idea how much work that is, how much money goes into that, how much time with all these hauls and stuff, money, all that stuff. I guess I get the money back from the videos, but it's still a lot of work. Yeah, so we're in Nordstrom right here, and we're just gonna go shopping a little bit, see if I can find me something really nice for myself. So I will check back in with you guys. I'm not gonna record in here because they be tripping, so I'll see y'all in a little bit. Your girl got herself a nice bag. Just spent the bag on a bag, y'all. Well, half a bag, but yep, I just purchased a Tory Burch bag to match all of my Tory Burch things, and I'm super excited. I'm gonna show you guys when I get home. We're gonna do a quick little unboxing or whatever. I feel so much better. I don't feel as stressed out and overwhelmed as I was feeling previously. It's amazing what shopping could do. Only shop if you got the money though, y'all. Don't be shopping and your light is dim. You know, make sure everything is settled. Make sure you make some extra money. Do Instacart, do delivery, do whatever you gotta do. Get you some extra money after your bills are paid, and then you can go shopping. Make sure you have a savings account too. Don't be saying, oh, Barry told me to shop. Barry told me to live my best life. No, Barry told you to live your best life after you've handled your responsibilities. So period. Anywho, I was in there telling him about the bracelet, how I could never get it on, and I just got it on. But yeah, I got a new bag. Super excited. It wasn't that well. It was some money. Who birthday coming up? I'm gonna get them a bag too. Who birthday coming? Ooh. No, but seriously, this Christmas I want to get all my sisters. I need to start saving up. I got 8 sisters. Anyway, this Christmas I want to get all my sisters matching Tory Burch sandals. We're gonna be a family of Tory. So I need to start actually now, because I don't want the shoes to sell out around the holidays, and I need to get all my sisters shoe sizes. I think I know them. Christina is like a 7. Mary's like a, Mary got a lot of Tory Burch already. Mary's like a 6.5. Ashley's like a 7.5. Natalie's a 9, like me. I did stop at 9.5. Judy's an 8, 8.5. Oh, my mom too. My mom's I think a 10. And then Jeannie's 9-ish is 7, 7.5. I'm gonna get all my sisters the same shoes, and we're gonna be twinsies. It's gonna be so cute. Alexis twins. So yeah, that's what I'm planning on doing for Christmas. And then my brothers, I'm gonna get them all the same thing as well, but obviously not Tory Burch. I gotta figure out something. Maybe all the same watch. Maybe. Anywho, it's now 5 o'clock. I would have just now been leaving work from doing aftercare, tutoring, whatever. But I'm about to go home, take a shower, watch some YouTube, and then edit my Mexico vlog. Alright, you guys, we are about to unbox this beauty here. Oh, it's gonna be a little bit difficult because I'm also creating a reel for my new page, BerryFae Aesthetic. If you have not followed me yet, go follow me. It's where I will be posting fashion reels, fashion inspo, as well as home decor and furniture. So it's a fashion furniture page. So go follow that. So I'm going to be unboxing it at the same time as my reel because I'm not going to do this twice. I need to get that other second phone that I was talking about. I need another phone. Let's do yours first, guys. So. So yeah, you guys, I have my new bag. I'm so excited, and it matches my little bracelet. It matches my Tory Burch sandals, and this can go with almost everything I wear in my closet, honestly. There was a brown bucket bag that I'm gonna get myself maybe for Christmas. It's just a little bit more expensive, maybe like $100 more, but it's worth it. I took a picture of it to inspire myself to go back and get it. It's like a cute little top bucket bag. Oh my god, but that's gonna be my next purchase. Let me see if you guys can see it. That's the bag. So stinking cute. I love that. The top handle, it comes in black, it comes in print, but I'm gonna get the brown one. It's a perfect everyday type of bag as well, especially when you posing, girl, because you know I'm about to take my Instagram photos and everything to the next level. But yeah, so I have me a new bag. Actually, this is my first Tory Burch bag. Who knew? And I think I picked the right one. There were other ones, but I wanted this one because one, the leather, and then the color of the black is like a real good black. The logo is a bit small, but there were some that have bigger logos, but I didn't want to overpower it because this is not I'm a flex on you kind of bag, even though there's nothing wrong with that. But I really wanted just to keep it very chill and to like appropriate for when I go out and stuff like that. It has enough space for me to put my camera light now, because I carry my camera light with me now too. And it's about the same size as my camera, so I can put those two here, put my keys in here. I knew I need to get a card, like a card, not a card reader, a card wallet. That's what I need to get next. I might get like a real one. But this is the straps. It has these little things on it. You just put them through the hole. And yeah, only thing I wish it had was an extra type of handle, but that's okay. So it's a crossbody. It has the leather part right here. It's just so cute. It comes with a dust bag to keep the dust away. So I don't know, I'm gonna put on that rotating shelf. And yeah, this was like basically $500. Oh, and the next time I purchase that brown bag, I'm gonna get on discount because I have some Nordstrom bucks. So I'm over like $1,000 right now, so on my Nordstrom account. So I'm gonna use that. This is the bag. It's so cute.